Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'll show you how I made this cute little heart weave pattern. Can you see them in there? I think they look like hearts. This would be great for woven bezels. So if you want to see how I made this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so let's get started. This is just for video purposes that they're so short, but I grabbed 6 pieces of 20 gauge wire. Those are round, and I'm going to weave with 28 gauge. I already have them straightened and in my clamp, all ready to go. But of course, if you're weaving a bezel, your wires will be much longer. But for demonstration purposes, my wires are going to stay short. Okay, I'm going to come in with my 28 gauge. So I usually start weaves on the bottom wire, but this time to make the heart shape, I'm gonna start on the 4th wire up. So I'm gonna number these from the bottom up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to help keep them straight, I'm gonna bend the bottom 3 downward and the top 3 upward. This helps me keep them organized, or helps me find them at least. I'm going to slide the wire in between 4 and 5 and come down. See how my tail's up? I'm going to go down and around the number 4 wire. I'm going to go around 3 times to anchor. Maybe I'll go around one more time. You're going to be coming out the front. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up and go around both of them, 4 and 5, and then I'm going to go around number 5 once. Okay, so then the wire's going down the back now, and with hearts it kind of tapers up and tapers down, and to move along and get the heart shape, we're going to go down the back and start staggering downward. So we're going to come under number 3 and go up around number 3 once, only number 3. Now we're going to go back up again. So we're going to go around number 3 again and go up around 4. Come out in between 3 and 4. And go up above 4 and 5. Go around the 5th one. Come out between 4 and 5 and up around 6. And then what you want to do is you want to go around 6 by itself one time. And then smush them together. This is where we're at. We're going to go all the way down the back again and stagger down, and we're going to come out in between 1 and 2 and anchor that and go around once, and then we're going to go back up again. Going to come back out between 1 and 2, going to go up past number 2 and go around number 3. Gonna come back out between 2 and 3 and go up and over 3 and 4. You're gonna come out in between 3 and 4 and go back up around 4 and 5. Come out between 4 and 5 and go up around 6 again and go around anchored onto number 6 once again, just by itself. And this is where we're at now, and this is going to be the curve of the heart on this side. So now we're going to bring all the wire all the way back down the back. See how ugly it looks on the back? As we bring the wire all the way down, and we're going to loop around wire number 1 once, and then we're going to make our way back up again but we're not gonna go all the way. We're gonna make that little divot, go above, up and around 1 and 2, come out between 1 and 2, go up and around 2 and 3, come out between 2 and 3, and then up around 3 and 4. So I'm gonna leave 2 spaces as our divot, and then go around number 4 once. Okay, so we're gonna come down and go around number 2 once, come out between 1 and 2, go up over 2 and 3, come out between 2 and 3, go up around 3 and 4, come out between 3 and 4, go up around 4 and 5, come out between 4 and 5, up around 5 and 6, and then around 6 once. And then come down the back. We did the second one, we're gonna go around the third one. Third one once, come out between 2 and 3 again, up around 3 and 4, come out between 3 and 4, up around 4 and 5, come out between 4 and 5, and up around 5 and 6 again, because over on this side we went to the top twice. So you'll see that kind of mimics this side. We went 2 passes around the 6th wire twice, and same on this side. And now we're going to taper it again, and we're going to come out between 3 and 4, anchor that, up around 5, go around 5 one more time, and then we're back to where we started. Go around the back, go around number 4, and go around about 3 times to where you want to start your new heart. And here we have a heart. And keep repeating that pattern, and we'll see what it looks like when we have a few hearts done. Here's what a line of them looks like. I think they look like hearts. Hopefully you do too. Do you think they look like hearts? I think so, especially when if you kind of leave the base wires darker and then shine up the hearts, the woven part. I think it'll look really cool. All right guys, so that's it for me. Hopefully you were able to follow along. I know this is a little more difficult and it does take some getting used to, but once you get going, you'll get the hang of it for sure. So if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already. For my next video, I plan on making a whole bezel and wrapping a heart labradorite stone. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when that one comes out. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.